Hey, boys and girls, it's Batman here, and today is Mr. Phil's birthday, and we have a little surprise for him. And I love surprises, like that time that I surprised Joker in the bank. And come on, Batman, we gotta go. Was that Robin or was that Elmo? They sound the same. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's get ready for a surprise. All right.
Oh, hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. I just woke up and it's such a beautiful day today. And today is my birthday. But I didn't tell anybody because I don't want a big fuss. The babies don't even know it's my birthday today. So I just thought I would have breakfast, okay? And then we'll do our song together this morning. And whoa, what's that? It looks like someone made me breakfast. And wait, let's see what it is. It's chocolate chip cookies and broccoli and a Coke. Okay, well, that's not the most nutritious breakfast, but wow, it looks like the babies made me breakfast. And there's a note. What's the note say? It says, eat breakfast, go downstairs. Wow, it looks like a little treasure hunt that they made for me and breakfast. Well, I'm too excited to eat breakfast. I want to go see what's downstairs, what this little treasure hunt has. And oh wait, there's another note there. What is that? It looks like it's from Batman with an arrow pointing that way. Okay, well, let's go see what's this way. Wait, is that another arrow? Oh, it's the bat symbol again. Okay, I'm so excited. What could this be? Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, thank you, babies. Thank you. They remembered it's my birthday. That is so sweet. Oh, thank you, babies. That is so kind of you to remember my birthday. And they all cheered for me and said surprise. That's so good of you. Well, thank you, Batman. And yes, you too, Reginald and Green Gorilla, and all of you. I'm so blessed to have such good friends. Any of us are blessed by God if we have good friends. And remember what God said, right? He said, love one another as I have loved you. And so that's why it's important to love each other, and especially our friends. And so thank you so much. And thank you, boys and girls, as well. I can't believe you remembered. But hey, you know what? I am so blessed that I really want to do a special song this morning. And the special song is, This is Amazing Grace. Because having wonderful friends like this and like you is such an amazing grace from God. It's such a gift from God. So let's do this song together, okay? If we can. All right? Let's go, babies. Let's all sing together, all right? Who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder, who leaves us breathless in awe and wonder, the King of glory, the King above all kings. Now we sing, this is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross, you would lay down your life, that I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain, worthy is the King who conquered the grave, worthy is the Lamb who was slain, worthy is the King who conquered the grave, worthy is the Lamb who was slain, worthy is the King who conquered the grave. amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross, you would lay down your life, that I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me, all that you've done for me. Jesus, you've done for me, all that you've done for me. This is amazing grace. Amen, that's right. We have such amazing grace that comes from God. And it all starts with his love for us, his great sacrifice, and the great friends that he provides for each one of us. So thank you so much for being with me on my birthday today. And let me know when your birthday is, okay? And maybe we'll do a special song for you as well, boys and girls. All right, have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your week. And we'll see you next week, okay? All right, say bye, babies. Bye-bye.